fucking battery. Okay, well, as you can see, we had a little problem, and I'm picking you up. Not exactly the best first flight over the waterfall, but well, at least we survived. Let me get off this ice thing before I drown. Battery fell down, and the luck of this big stick, we got out. I'm just gonna hold on to the big stick right now. Okay, thank God for the snow. I don't think we would have quite made that. Upside to everything, one of the, nothing really broke except for a piece of the plastic guard. And that was the point of it, to keep it protected. And I think it did that. But all in all, pretty unsuccessful flight.